Hey there, Erica Chip, your 31 gal. Okay, I know you're aware of our double duty caddy, but how about our deluxe double duty caddy? I love this one. It's just the deluxe of the double duty. So you're still going to get your mesh pockets on the sides. You're going to get two big pockets on the outside, and then you're also going to get this double Velcro closure pocket, which is actually pretty big. Like, look at that. That's pretty big. And then on the inside, you have, it will collapse down, but you do have these two flaps that make it more sturdy and more stable to have expanded. So super, super good bag for, I think a great idea would be for in the car when you're driving and you're on a road trip with the kids this summer. Put this in between two kiddos and you've got their coloring books, their colors, their AirPod buds. I don't own them, so I don't know what they're really called. Colored pencils so they don't melt if you're, especially if you're coming to visit here in Arizona. But all, you know, the kid stuff, but also if you are in the direct sales business, so if you are a Scentsy girl, if you are an origami owl girl, if you are a color street girl, this is great and handy to put your product in, grab it for a quick, like, hey, I got to go run here real quick and demo or show or meet up with a client. This is a great bag for that. Deluxe double duty caddy. Yes, this one is still amazing, but I love this one. Super, super cool. Don't forget to hit subscribe and then turn on your notifications so when I post videos like this, you don't miss it. Have a good day. Bye.